This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anthony Latina. Enjoy maintenance-free living in this lovely 2-bed, 2-bath condo. Placed in the Riverside Club, this must-see condo has been extremely well maintained and leaves room for endless possibilities. The fabulous building also offers full upscale amenities like pool, boat dock, covered parking, barbecue grills, and walking ways for biking. Enter inside with high ceilings and immediately admire the open main living area with stunning views and seamless entertainment to the living room, and kitchen. This open kitchen comes fully equipped with all appliances, ample cabinetry, and beautiful countertops. The master suite has luxury tile, walk-in closet, and includes a large attached full bath with dual sinks, and walk-in shower. You will find the additional master suite with luxury tile and full bath with dual sinks, and walk-in shower. Other features include laundry in unit, additional storage, carport and parking for guests. Schedule your appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact Anthony Latina at 239-659-4200.